Good morning students. Today we will study chapter 6 geometry. In the last chapter of in our course. First point. This is the first we study point. First we study point. A point is a thick and a dark dot. We put a pointed pencil. We put this. This is a point. This is a dark. We put a dark pencil. We dot. This dot is called point. It is a thickness. There is no length, no thickness, and no or height. These are not in point. This point we represent in capital letters. Capital point A, then point B, then point C, point D, point E. These are with this point is we represent in capital letters. Point M, point X, point K, point L. Then these are the we represented in capital letters. Second is line. The symbol is this point A. Line. A line has no end point. A line has no end point. It is extended in both sides. It is extended in both sides. There is no end point in line. This is the line. There is no end point. This line is extended in both sides. There is no end point. This is called line. The symbol of line is line AB, line K, L, line CD. This is the symbol of line. This is the point. Point A. We put a capital letters. We represent a point. Then line is there is no end point here. It extended in both sides. Then third is ray. Array has one end point. Array has one end point. It extended in one direction. It extended in one direction. Array is a part of line. Array is a part of line. It has a one end point. That point, the initial point, this is the starting point is called initial point. This point, this starting point is called initial point. Then it has one initial point. It is extended in one direction. The symbol of ray is ray AB. For example, the sun rays. The sun is the initial point. The rays are come in the light is the rays. The example of ray is sun rays. Then first point a point is a thick dot in represent a capital letters. Then line. A line has no end point. There is it extended in both sides. Both directions. Then ray is a starting point is called initial point. It is the part of a line. It is extended in one direction. Then next line segment. line segment is a definite length. It has two end point. A line segment has, this is the line segment. A line segment has two end point. It is the part of line. A line segment is a part of line. It has two end points. It is a definite measure, definite length. We take 3 centimeter. We draw a line segment 3 centimeter. Then we draw this 3 centimeter line segment AB. What is a line segment? A line segment has definite length, that is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter we take. A line segment has definite length. It has two end points. It is the part of line. Line segment is a part of line. It has two end point. It has a definite length. Therefore, we say 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter. This is the line segment. Again, repeat the points. Point is a dark thick point. We represent it in capital letters A, B, C, D. Any letters we use. Line. A line is a no end point. It extended in both directions. Next ray. Ray is a one end point. How many end point in ray? One end point. It extended in one direction. It extended in one direction. It is the starting point is called the initial point. Then line segment is the part of a line. It has a definite length. It has two end points. Then therefore we write the symbol of line segment is line segment AB. Then next, intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting line. A line passing through another line. A line passing through another line is called intersecting line. A line passing through another line is called intersecting line. This intersecting line, line L, then line M. A line is passing through another line. Our line L is passing through line M. This midpoint, this point is called intersecting point. This point is called intersecting point. This point we write the letter O. Then line L and M are intersecting a point is called O. That point is called intersecting point. Then again point, line, ray, line segment, intersecting line. These are the lines. This again, this is the vertical line. Which line this? Vertical line. This is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. This is vertical line. This is horizontal line. In your class we study point, line, ray, line segment, intersecting line, vertical line, horizontal lines. These are the lines of in this chapter. Then again repeat this. What is a point? A point is a thick dot. It is no length, no thickness. This is called, we represent a point is capital letters. Then line, what is a line? A line is a line has no end point. It extended in both direction. Then the symbol of the line is line AB. Then ray has one end point. The initial point is called the starting point. Then the part of a ray is a part of a line. Then the symbol of ray is ray AB. Then line segment. Line segment is the part of a line. It has two end point. It has definite length. The symbol of line segment is line segment AB. Intersecting lines. An intersecting line is two lines passing through a point is called intersecting point. That is line L and line M are intersecting that point is called O. This point is called intersecting point. This is the vertical line. This is horizontal line. Okay. Thank you.